Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, a square porch has a length of 8 meters. Write the area in exponential expression. We know that area of a square with length of side A is given by area of a square equals to A square. Here, length of a side of square is 8 meters. Hence, area of a square is given by 8 square, and it is in square meters. Hence, here from given options we have option B as 8 square.